Welcome to another problem-solving session. Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. I want to plot the share of three variables of each geographical point. The issue is that the color values are discrete, making the legend that ggplot produces useless. Is there a way to add a meaningful continuous color scale to this plot? Let's dive into the solution and figure it out together. The solution begins by setting up the data using RGB values and plotting the points colored by their hexadecimal values. The code uses the ggplot2 package to create the initial plot with the points colored by their RGB values. Labels are also added to the points for clarity. This step sets the foundation for the subsequent parts of the solution. Moving on to the next part of the solution, a grid of colors representing the background of a ternary plot is generated. Only the colors which add up to 100 are considered, and the RGB values are normalized to fall within the 0 to 1 range. These colors will be used on the ternary plot to visualize the relationships between the RGB values of the points. In the following step, the tern package is utilized to create the ternary plot. The RGB variables are mapped to the three aesthetics of the ternary plot. Points are plotted with corresponding colors, and labels from the initial data frame are added to the plot. This plot serves as a continuous scale depicting the RGB values of the points in relation to each other. Continuing with the solution, the two plots are combined using the patchwork package to display them side by side. Although this method effectively showcases the points and the ternary plot, some elements like axis text may be lost in the process. Nevertheless, the visualization provides a comprehensive view of the RGB values and their relations. To further enhance the final plot, a custom legend grob is created and added to the plot. This elegant solution replaces the patchwork method, ensuring a smoother integration of the two plots. The legend grob includes the RGB values of the colors, giving a complete overview of the data points. In summary, we've successfully addressed the problem of plotting RGB values for geographical points and creating a meaningful continuous color scale. By combining different visualization techniques, we've gained insights into the relationships between the RGB values. I hope you found this journey through data visualization both informative and enjoyable. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a witty comment below